Raphael counted a total of 40 white and yellow cars. There were 9 times as many white cars as yellow cars. How many white cars did Raphael count? So let n represent the number of yellow cars. So how many white cars are there? 9 times as many white cars as yellow cars. So we're going to say white cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 n's, and yellow cars 1 n. So total number of n is 9 plus 1 equals 10. So 10 times n equals 40. That means n equals 4. So for yellow car, there are 4 cars, but we need to figure out how many white cars are there. So what we need to do is there are 9 n. So 4 times 9 equals 36. So there were 36 white cars.